Here's how to fix settings app keeps crashing on iPhone. So the first solution is enable background refresh. Go to settings, tap on general, background app refresh, and make sure to select Wi-Fi and mobile data, and make sure to give permissions to all these apps, and then check the issue. And the second solution is free up your iPhone storage. If your iPhone storage is almost full, you can delete unwanted apps. Go to general, iPhone storage, and here search for unwanted apps, delete them and free up your iPhone storage, and then check the issue. And the third solution is Offload app. Go to general, iPhone storage, and search for the problematic app and open it. Offload the app, then delete the app, then go to App Store, reinstall the app and check the issue. And the last and final solution is reset all settings. Go to general, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, reset all settings. Once done, restart your iPhone and hope this will fix your problem. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.